morning students. In today's class we are going to see problems based on the criteria for similarity of triangles. In last class we have learnt about what is angle, side, angle, side, criteria for similarity of triangles. We learned that instead of going for 6 elements, that are 3 angles and three corresponding sides should be in the same ratio, total 6 elements we have to check, right, for similarity of triangle. Instead of going that, we have proved the theorems, that is criteria for similarity of triangles, right? Angle, side, angle, side. So now we will check here whether these triangles are similar or no. If they are similar, by which criteria they will follow, we will check here. Now see here, first one we will check, whether these two triangles are similar. See here, angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 80 degree. Okay, here these two angles are same. Angle B is equal to angle E is equal to 60 degree. Here angle B is equal to angle E, 60 degree, and angle C is equal to angle F is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, see here in these two triangles, angles are equal. Therefore, what we can tell, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. It will follow angle criteria for similarity of triangles. Yes or no? See here, angle A corresponds to D. Angle A and angle D are same. Angle B corresponds to angle E. Angle C corresponds to angle F. These two triangles are similar. Next we will see second one. Whether these two triangles are similar or no. Now see here angles are not given. Now we have to check the sides, we have to see the ratios of the side. Now see first we will go AB by DE. So we will check the ratios now one by one. AB by DE. AB is 3 divided by 4.5. If you multiply by 10, it will become 30 by 45. 15 2s are 50 3s are. Here it will come 2 by 3. Now we will check the ratios of BC by EF. BC by EF. Say BC they have given 6, EF they have given 9. 3 2s are 3 3s are. Here also it is getting 2 by 3. Now you see AC by DF. AC by DF. AC is 8 divided by 12. 4 2s are 4 3s are. Here we are getting 2 by 3. See everywhere you are getting 2 by 3, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Definitely these two triangles are similar. Tell me students, which criteria it is following? Side. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by side criteria of similarity of triangles. Now we will check third one. Is these triangles are similar? Now we will take third one. See third one we will see whether these two triangles are similar or no. See here in a triangle ABC, angle A is 50 degree, in triangle DEF, angle D is 50 degree. Angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 50 degree. Now see here angle A is included between these two sides. Yes or no? We will check the ratio AB by DE. AB they have given 2 by, this is 2 centimeter, and DE they have given 3 centimeter. It will come 2 by 3. Again we will see here AC by DF. If you do AC by DF, 4 by 6, 2 2s are 2 3s are. The answer we are getting 2 by 3. See here one angle is same and the two corresponding sides ratio are same. Here angle A is included between the two sides. Yes or no? Therefore what we can tell, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by which SAS criteria of similarity of triangle. So now we came to know how exactly, what it is exactly angle, side, angle, side. Now we will solve some worked examples what they have given in the textbook. See students, the first problem was, in figure if PQ is parallel to RS, prove that triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. We have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now say a solution. What they have given thing is PQ is parallel to RS. We have to prove here, to prove triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. This we have to prove here. Now see here, since PQ parallel to RS, if PQ is parallel to RS here, this is acting as a transversal. What we can tell is angle P is equal to angle S. Now listen here. Here they have given PQ, right? Here PQ is there and here RS is there. Now see here these two lines are parallel and this is acting as a, this is transversal. What we can tell here, this angle and this angle are equal because they are alternate angles. Angle P is equal to angle S. What is the reason? Alternate angles. They are nothing but the alternate angles. So again we can see here PQ and RS is a parallel lines. Here this is QR is here acting as a transversal. What we can tell here? Angle Q is equal to angle R. These are also alternate angles. Angle Q is equal to angle R. We can write here alternate angle, or if you want a specific alternate interior angles. Here alternate interior angles. Now again if you look at the figure, we will come to know that, observe here carefully, angle POQ is equal to angle ROS. See here, you would have remembered if two lines are intersecting at point O, here angles are going to be formed. You tell me what angles we are going to call this as. Here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Which angle these are? These are vertically opposite angles. These are nothing but a vertically opposite angles. So here we can tell angle POQ, angle POQ is equal to angle ROS. These are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, what we can tell, see here we got angle, angle, angle. When three angles are same in a triangle, we can tell that these two triangles are similar. By which criteria for similarity of triangle? Angle, angle, angle. Therefore, triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. Triangle SOR. Now see here students, you have to see the way you have written. Here angle P corresponds to as angle POQ, angle O. These angles are equal. Here angle Q is equal to angle R. We have to check this also. See here the angle, angle, angle similarity criterion. Similarity criterion. Okay, this is about first problem. We will now see the second problem. Now we will check for second problem. Observe and then find. Observe and then find angle P. See here they are given two triangles here. Triangle ABC, 80 degree, 60 degree, 3√3, 3.8 and they are given 6 here. Say one more triangle RQP, 6√3, 7.6, 12. Okay, now what they are telling here, we have to find, observe and then find angle P. We have to find your angle P value. Now see here students, to find angle P, if two triangles are similar then their corresponding angles are equal, we can tell. First we will prove these two triangles are similar. They are given here sides to us. We will check whether they are in the same ratio. See solution. So we will check AC by, now see students, same quantity we have to take here. AC by PR. We will check the ratio of AC by PR. AC is 3√3, PR is 6√3. √3 will get cancelled here. 3 ones are 3 twos are. The answer will come 1/2. So don't get confused why I am not done AC by RQ. Say if you turn the triangle, if you just turn the triangle, it will become RQP. What I want to tell is same quantity we have to, same quantities ratio we have to take here. Okay, it is no any rule that you have to take AB by RP only, not like that. Same quantities ratio we have to take here. Okay, AC by RQ, sorry, AC by PR. AC by PR if I do, I am getting 1/2. Now I will check the ratio of BC by PQ. BC ratio is 6, BC value is 6, PQ value is 12. 6 ones are 6, 2s are, here the ratio is coming 1/2. Now we will check AB by, okay, AB by r cube. AB by r cube. AB is 3.8 and this will come here 7.6. If we take the ratio, it will also come 1 by 2. 3.8 ones are 3.8, 2s are, if you do, will get 7.6 here. Now see here all ratios are same. Corresponding sides ratios are same. What we can tell? These two triangles are similar. We can tell here that these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ACB is similar to triangle RQP. Now see student, you have compared AC with RQ, CB with QP, right? AB with it should be ABC, right? Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle RQP. By which postulate? By which criterion of similarity? By SSS, similarity criterion. Now see student, by SSS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, definitely their corresponding angles will going to be equal. Yes or no? Their corresponding angles will going to be equal. What we can tell? Angle C is equal to angle P, because corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Corresponding angles are equal in similar triangles. Now we will find angle C is equal to, we don't know angle C value. We will use angle sum property, that is nothing but 180 minus 80 minus 60 degree. It will come 180 degree minus 140 degree is nothing but here 40 degree. Therefore, angle P is nothing but 40 degree. What we have done here? We have proved first these two triangles are similar. If the case was if these two triangles are not similar, at that time we can't find out the value of P, right? Here we have proved that first these two triangles are similar. How we proved? They have given the sides. We find out the ratios of the corresponding sides. We are getting the ratios same, means these two triangles are similar by SSS similarity criterion. If these two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles will going to be equal. Here we have used angle sum property and we have find out the value of angle C, and we have got angle P is nothing but 40 degree. So next we are going to see the third problem. See in figure OE into OB is equal to OC into OD. Show that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. They have given here the figure for this question, ADO and CB. See here, in figure, OA by OB is equal to OC by OD. We have to show that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. We have to prove this here. Now see here, to prove this, first what we have to do, we have to show that these two triangles are similar. We have to show that these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, definitely we can tell that the corresponding angles are equal. We can show that the corresponding angles are equal. Now see a solution. Given OA into OB is equal to OC OD. They have given. Now that is OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. Okay, from here we took this. This will tell that OA by OC ratio is equal to OD by OB ratio. These two ratios are same. Okay, again observe here carefully. In a triangle AOD and triangle COB, okay, here angle AOD is equal to angle COB. Which angle these are, students? These are nothing but vertically opposite angles. See here, also we have what we have? Also we have angle AOD is equal to angle COB. These are nothing but vertically opposite angles. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Yes or no? Call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. See here, by comparing 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we can tell that, see here OA by OC, this ratio is same. If you take the ratio, that ratio is equal to OD by OB. Okay, and here this angle and this angle are equal. We can tell that these two triangles are similar. Tell me student, by which criteria? By SAS. Why you know? See here, this angle is included. Between AO and DO, and here COB. This angle is included between side OC and OB. Yes or no? From 1 and 2 we can tell that from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 what we can tell that triangle AOD is similar to triangle COB. SAS similarity criterion. Now see students, here AOD, this angle is included between the sides AO and OD, and here angle COB is included between the sides OC and OB. Therefore we can tell that triangle AOD is similar to triangle COB. Now see here students, here we have to check the correspondence. Here angle AOD is equal to angle COB, right? And we have compared the sides AO by CO, OD by OB. Okay, like this we can prove this problem. So see student, a girl of height 90 cm is walking away from the height is 90 centimeter, is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp height is given, that is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of a shadow after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, what is the length of a shadow? We have to find the distance of, what is the distance of DE. We have to find the shadow of the girl. After 4 seconds, we have to find the shadow of the girl. See here, take solution. Let AB denote the lamp post. Let AB denote the lamp post and CD the girl. Yes, CD the girl walking for seconds. Away from the lamp post. Let AB denote the lamp post and CD the girl. Okay. Here. CD the girl after walking for seconds away from the lamp post. Here DE is the shadow of the girl. Okay. Let, we have to find a DE. Let DE is equal to x mid. We don't know, right? We will take it as x. Now see here. Now DD value is nothing but 1.2 into 4, because at a speed of 1.2 meter per second, the girl has walked away from the lamp post, that is 4 seconds. So that's why I put 4. And will 4.8 meter. It will be 4.8 meter. Now see here. Now in triangle ADE and triangle CDE. See here, ADE in triangle ADE and triangle CDE. So what we can find out here as any same quantities or any angle equal, any side equal, we will see. In triangle ADE and triangle CDE, angle E is same. Angle E is equal to angle E. Same angle or equal angle. Same angle. I can see here. Angle D is equal to angle D. Angle D is equal to angle D. This is 90 degree because the lamp post and the girl are standing vertical. Yes, sir? Are standing vertical on the ground. Definitely it will be a 90 degree. Therefore, what we can tell, two angles we got same in a triangle. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. By which criteria? The angle criteria. The angle criteria in these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, the cross multiply, it will be 4x is equal to 4.8 plus x. It will be 4x minus x is equal to 4.8. This will become 3x is equal to 4.8. This implies x is equal to 4.8 divided by 3. It will be 1.6 meter. What we can tell? The length of the shadow of the girl after 4 seconds is 1.6 meter. What we can tell? The length of the shadow after 4 seconds is nothing but 1.6 meter, we can tell it. Okay, we will see the next problem on the next class.